Welcome to the Joining the Mega Data program tutorial. My name is Amy Karana and I will be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to be a part of our Mega Data collection project through our online portal and Retract Connect. EGLE recently launched its Mega Data project to provide the baseline of data necessary for counties to develop future materials management plans and provide a roadmap for materials management moving forward. An online program has been created for use by municipalities and counties that run materials management programs to participate. This project is within an online system called Retract Connect. To join our Retract Connect program, you can first visit www.michigan.gov/EGLE-megadata. Once you arrive to our webpage, you can scroll down towards the bottom and you will see a link to submit an application to join the program. So what you can do is you'll click this link, which will open the new application page, which you can fill out in its entirety. When you're filling this application out, make sure you fill out all the fields. It asks about the name of your municipality or county, address, your name, but it's important to pay attention especially to this question that asks about which type of agency you represent. Whether you choose municipality or county, it will help us determine whether to enroll you in the municipality or county program. So once you've filled out this form, go ahead and click apply. Once you click apply, our team will review your responses in your application and determine which program to enroll you in. Once this occurs, you will receive an email from Retract Connect if you are enrolled in the municipality program, or from EGLE staff if you are enrolled in the county program. And this email will include details for how to finish setting up your account and reset your password, and how to access the program that you have been enrolled in. Once you have received your account information and finished setting up your account, you can log into Retract Connect by visiting connect.retract.com and log in using your new credentials. It'll first ask you for your email, and then it will ask you for your password. After you log in, you will be taken to your home page. You will see programs I've joined, and you will either see County Run Measurement Program if you are a county, or you will see the Municipal Measurement Program if you are a municipality. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will walk through the County Run Measurement Program. However, the process is essentially the same for the municipal program, which I will explain as we go along. So what you will do next is you will click on either M3 for your county or the Municipal Measurement Program if you are a municipality. Click on the name of your county or municipality that you signed up with. This will take you to your workspace, where you will be able to view all the surveys you have access to and that should be completed. The surveys will say new in yellow if they have not been started, draft in red if they have been started but not completed yet, or complete and in green if it has been successfully submitted. I also want to note that if you have any additional surveys, they will all be listed here. So the county program only has one, however, the municipal program will have multiple. So we'll go ahead and click New to begin the survey. So this will open up the survey. Again, this is the county survey, so the municipal surveys will look different. However, this is just an example. So we'll go ahead and be sure to read the instructions within the county survey or the municipal survey, whatever you're seeing. Fill out each of the fields in its entirety. Be sure to pay attention to what it's asking. And then we'll go ahead and just hit save at the bottom when you're done. Now I'd like to note that the system will automatically display and identify any errors that you will need to fix before you are able to successfully submit the survey, or you can just save this as a draft and return at a later time. So I'm going to go ahead and do find and fix errors so that we can submit this now. And you'll see all the errors that were required fields are highlighted in red. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, now that I have filled in the required fields, I would like to note that based on some of my responses, additional questions were displayed. So I would also like to note that as you go through the survey, make sure that you are paying attention and filling out each of the questions. Once you have completed all the questions, there's no more errors to fix, and you click save, it may show some files that you can upload. So go ahead and upload any files that pertain to anything in any of these categories. You can just click upload and it will allow you to pull it from anywhere within your computer. We can upload a test one. So once you have uploaded any files that are applicable, go ahead and hit save again. And then once again, you can either save this as a draft if you want to come back later and edit any of your responses or fill anything else out, or we can mark this as complete. So once I mark it as complete and hit confirm, our staff will be notified that you did submit that report and your requirements will have been successfully completed for this program. So we'll go ahead and hit confirm, and we'll automatically be redirected back to our workspace. As you can see, it now says completed underneath the About Your County or Organization section. This means the survey has been submitted to our team. Please note that depending on your responses within the survey, you may see additional surveys appear below, as is the case in this example. If you are shown additional surveys for your permanent or temporary drop-off collection or event, you will repeat the process. Click New next to the survey, and we will fill this out in its entirety. Click Save at the bottom once you have filled it out and mark it as complete. Please note that if you have more than one drop-off or temporary recycling location you are reporting on, you will have the ability to continually create new surveys for each drop-off. You will see a number in the bottom right-hand corner of the New button within your workspace, which you can click to see previous surveys you submitted in that section. To add a new drop-off, just click New and fill out the survey again after originally submitting it for your original drop-off. This will be a new survey that you will fill out on behalf of the second drop-off. You can keep completing this process until you have filled out surveys for each of the locations that you operate. Once you have submitted surveys for each of them, you'll have completed the requirements. For municipalities, there will be a similar process to continually complete surveys as they appear on your workspace. And please note that the municipal measurement program runs every year, whereas the county program will run this year only, but will eventually be rolled into future county solid waste and materials management planning. Now you know how to participate in EGLE's Mega Data program. Thank you for your assistance in moving Michigan forward towards a more sustainable future. If you have any further questions, feel free to visit our webpage at www.michigan.gov/EGLEM3 or contact our staff at eagle-m3@michigan.gov. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to having you in the program.